Good morning, Sir Ryan. Hello. I'm James Lester Collier from DCPET 31. Today we'll be reflecting on a significant cybersecurity case in Singapore, the data leak involving gaming company Razer and its IT vendor, Capgemini. This case highlight critical issues surrounding data security, accountability, and the role of technology professional in safeguarding sensitive information. First, what is the case all about? This case revolves around the data breach that occurred in 2020, exposing the personal information order details and shipping information of approximately 100,000 Razer customers. The breach happened due to a security misconfiguration in Razer's internal IT system, which was managed by its IT vendor, Capgemini. Razer sued Capgemini, alleging that the vendor negligence led the breach, causing financial losses and reputational damage. The Singapore High Court ultimately ruled in favor of Razer, awarding them $6.5 million in damages. 2. What are the facts of the case? There's several critical facts. Number 1, the breach or first po. The breach occurred over a 3-month period from June to September 2020, when security settings in Razer's IT system were disabled. 2. Security consultant Bob Diachenko discovered the leak in September 2020 and published his findings on LinkedIn. 3. The breach exposed personal customer information but not sensitive data like credit card or details. The root cause was traced to an auction by Capgemini employee by Argel Kabalag, who added a number sign command to a misconfiguration file, unintentionally disabling security features. 5. Despite initial denials, Mr. Kabalag later admitted during the trial that he caused the misconfiguration. 3. What are the issues of the case? Several critical issues emerge, or there's several critical issues. Number 1, vendor accountability. To what extent should Capgemini as the IT vendor be held liable for the breach? 2. Negligence or there's a negligence. The security misconfiguration happened during troubleshooting by Capgemini's employee. Was it a breach of duty care? And there is also contractual obligation. Did Capgemini fulfill its contractual obligation to ensure a secure IT system for Razer? And there's also reputational damage. The breach led to significant media coverage which harmed Razer's reputation. Financial losses. Razer claimed over $7 million in losses. including e-commerce revenue and costs for legal and forensic investigations. Four, what is the ruling of the Singapore court? The Singapore High Court ruled in favor of Razer, awarding them $6.5 in damages. And US and $6.1 million was awarded for loss of e-commerce profits. Costs for legal and for forensic investigation were reimbursed, including $320,400 for legal and fees and $60,000 for IT forensic services. The court found Capgemini breached its contractual obligation by failing to ensure proper system security. The judge dismissed claims related to losses from failed digital banking license application and staff expenses. Ultimately, Capgemini was held accountable for the action of its employee, Mr. Cabalag, as his misconfiguration fell within his job responsibilities. Number 5. Your takeaways as a computer engineering student and future engineers. 1. Importance of cybersecurity. Even a small misconfiguration can lead to significant consequences. As engineers, we must prioritize secure coding practices through testing and regular audits of IT system. 2. Accountability and ethics. Whether you're working for a client or an employer, your action can have widespread implication. Always take responsibility for your work and strive to prevent harm. 3. Effective communication in cases of error or breaches. Transparency is crucial. The delays in recognizing and reporting the issue mas pinalawak po niya kasi yung pagka-loss pag hindi po agad sinabi. Vendor-client relationship. This case demonstrates the need for clear contracts outlining responsibilities and liabilities for cybersecurity. Continuous learning. Technology evolves rapidly and so do security threats. As engineers, we must commit to lifelong learning to stay ahead of vulnerabilities and implement best practices. Meron din pong ganitong issue sa pinuntahan po naming event way back senior high school po. Yung sa pag-edit naman po siya. Meron daw pong kakilala yung nagtuturo sa amin na nagkaroon po siya ng yung inedit po niya is ipapaprint po ng Jollibee, and yung brochure pa yata is may parang sobrang advertisement. Kunwari po yung KitKat po, di kasama dun, pero nandun po, parang ganon. And na-print na po yung maraming brochure. Parang siya po yung pinapag-shoulder ng maraming brochure na print. Yun lang. Lastly, this case reminds us to work has real-world consequences. Whether we're designing system or troubleshooting issues. Every action we take impacts businesses, user, or even our own reputation. Let's strive to be responsible and proactive engineers. To be concluded, the Razer Capgemini case underscored the high stakes of cybersecurity in today's digital age. As we prepare into the professional world, let's carry this lesson with us to build not just robust system, but also a culture of accountability. Yun lang po. Thank you for watching, and I hope this reflection will be good. Bye.